Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of Nick Fury, but I'm not talking about the Nick Fury that we see in the movies. I'm talking about the Nick Fury from the comic books, and if you have your pencils all set, we will rediscover that particular Nick Fury. And we'll draw an X shade because I'm drawing him looking to that side. So that is the head, the neck, and then we have the shoulder right about there. Chest will be somewhere there. Okay, so I'm going to use a pen, and we are trying out this new ball pen. Okay, from this point on, I'm going to utilize a marker or a set of pens to finish this off quickly. You could actually continue with a pencil. So around those lines, I'm just putting in key details of Fury's very generic but very recognizable costume, in the sense that he had all these straps going through. You know that he's the director of an agency, and you know all that. So there is that fabric just folded around. Just come back there, do some of that generic conflicted and good guy jawline, and I'm going to do some ear work so that he has all good ears to listen to the goings on in the entire world, and so that he can keep tabs on everything. And then I'm going to just put in generic nose. Jawline, let's remember that Nick Fury is a little middle-aged, if I say so myself. So very customary to depict those squinting eyes. It doesn't have to be the method, but it helps, you know, to have a character that if he has to brood and be pensive and in thought at all times, you make him look like that. So I got a generic sketch down, and I'm going to put in some lines for his hair that is mostly depicted in this manner. And then a bit of muscle structure there, and then for some additional we are just going to, for some additional impact, he's not necessarily a gunman, but we're going to give him a gun because he is the director and he has to have some kind of firearm. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting in some sausage shapes here for his, usually they used to depict white gloves. So I'm just doing a sausage shape. I think that finger went too far there. It won't go that far. It'll be ending up somewhere here because the butt of the handgun will be at least like that thick. And there's, I think there's going to be a smaller pistol than usual. There's the trigger apparatus. And as far as the core elements of the sketch go, we are actually pretty much done. Like, those are the core elements of the sketch, and of course the rest is all details. And what you could do is just Google different images and see how you could or crank out a Nick Fury sketch. Now, some may argue that yes, the Punisher has a similar getup. He does have those straps, but there are some distinctive features that distinguish him from the great director Fury, or I think it's Commander Fury, not sure. And those are again some wrinkle lines and the composition of the hair. So that is the essential sketch, and what is remaining is some details to finish this off, and those will come across the remainder of the video.